Learn English quickly. Hello, everybody. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Number 1, go this. Correct. Number 2, we, the game, yesterday. What's the answer? Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. We will go that way. We will go that way. Way. A direction. A possible place for you to travel. Now we can make a flashcard for way. And we use it for actions. I will do my homework this way. For example, here it is a method. Please make a card like this. Write way up here in the top left corner. W-A-Y. Times 2. It could be a way to go and a way to do something. Down here, N1. This means noun, level 1. And over here, the number 189 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like A, like ABC. And the W we make with the lips. Wa, wa. Way. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. We will win the game tomorrow. We will win the game tomorrow. Win. You will get more goals than the other team. Now we can make a flashcard for win. In English, we say to win a game, but to beat somebody or to beat the other team. Win is an irregular verb. So for yesterday, we say we won the game yesterday. And verb number 3. Winning. Double N. Please make a card like this. To win something. 1, past tense. Down here, IV1 means irregular verb, level 1, and the number 39 out of 40. Now I will show you the IPA. Win. 1. Game over. You did very well today. Level 2 words. Method, correct. Number 2, pessimist. Number 3, to suggest. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.